To become indispensable, to become irreplaceable, you need to stand out. You need to do something beyond what you are supposed to do. Now you may ask, Rajiv, if it is so simple, then why not many people are just doing it? It is because of the way many of us have been brought up. It is because of the conditioning you have gone through in your younger days. Take for example your school days. You were taught to answer exam questions in a particular prescriptive manner if you want to have good marks. You were taught to keep your heads down and follow instructions without understanding why you are doing it. Anyone trying to do something differently in those days was punished, and complaint was sent to the parents. That is why by the time you reached working age, by the time you started your job, you were so afraid of doing anything that might make you stand out from the crowd. That makes you afraid of asking any question in the meeting, even though you had a great one. That makes you afraid of going onto stage and giving presentations. It makes you shiver. And why it makes you afraid? Because you have been groomed not to stand out. You have been groomed to go with the crowd. You have been groomed to do what everyone else is doing. And that is why many people are satisfied to just show up at work and do what they have been asked to do. But we have strong examples of people who have challenged this conditioning. Otherwise, there would not have been the likes of Flipkart, the likes of Ola, the likes of Make My Trip, who are changing the way we live, the way we work, and the way we relate to each other. Hence, I encourage you to go beyond this old conditioning and see how you can add value to your job, to your function, and to your company. That is one very effective approach. That is one very effective trick to make yourself irreplaceable, indispensable. So my friends, this was a quick video on work prioritization. That was a quick video on how you can make yourself indispensable. If you want to hear more from me on this topic, then please comment below or like this video. Thanks and have a fantastic life.